Number one is to do this math, converting pi into degree, and in this way. Okay, you see, write down 4.
স্যার আপনি গতদিন এটা কনভার্ট না করেই করেছিলেন, এটা পাইতেই রেখেছিলেন।
Okay, that I know. Okay, you see, I am going to take this and this at a time. That is 2 cosine 8 pi by 15 cosine 2 pi by 15. Then I am going to write down another 2, this and this. That is 2 cosine 14 pi by 15 into cosine 4 pi by 15. Are you getting me properly?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, fan is running for this. Wait. Now you see, wait, 4 to the 8 to the 16. Okay. We can do here 2 cos A cos B. What is the formula? Cos of
So cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B.
A plus B. 8 plus 2 equals what? 10. Please off your, loudspeaker. 8 plus 2 equals to 10. 10 pi by 15 plus 8 minus 2 equals to 6 cos 6 pi by 15. Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Then similarly, cosine 14 plus 4, that is 18. 18 pi by 15 plus 14 minus 4, that is cos 10 pi by 15. Is it okay? Now, what will we do? We will just write down 4. It is what? Can you tell me, please? Cosine. And we know this value. So our math is done. Okay. It is what? Can you tell me? Cosine 2 pi by 5. Right? Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Ji, sir.
Okay. You just let me know. It is what? Cosine 6 pi by 5. Is it? It is what? Cosine 2 pi by 3. And we know cosine 2 pi by 3. What is the value of cosine 2 pi by 3? Can you tell me? Tell me. What is the value of cosine 2 pi by 3? 120 degree, right?
So minus half.
Minus half. So you are taking time, I don't know. This is 4 minus half plus cosine 2 pi by 5. Okay. Now, can you please tell me here, cos of 6 pi by 5. What is that? Cos of 6 pi by 5. You see, please pay attention. Cos of 6 pi by 5, this part, cosine 6 pi by 5. Can we write in this way? Cosine pi plus pi by 5. Right? Hello, everybody.
Ji,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the coordinate here? In which coordinate it lies?
So third
Third.
quadrant.
Third quadrant. Cosine is positive or negative?
negative.
Negative.
some of you has loudspeaker. Okay, better to use earphone. Okay, so third quadrant cosine is negative, right? So can I write for this minus cosine pi by 5? And it is minus half. Just talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now can we multiply at a time, or we'll take 2 times? Okay, we are taking 2 times to multiply. You see, this is 4 minus minus plus half cosine pi by 5, right? Minus half will make plus 1 by 4. Now we multiply this and this, plus minus minus cos 2 pi by 5, here cos pi by 5, right? Then we are getting here plus minus minus half cos 2 pi by 5. Okay. If you don't understand, you can talk to me. Actually, this line we have just multiplied, nothing else we have done. Now you see, we have to multiply again. 4 into half, that is 2 cos pi by 5. Okay. 4 into 1 by 4, that is plus 1. 4 into this, that is minus 4. Oh, I am perhaps wrong. It may be minus half. Oh, no, sorry, it's okay. I am not wrong. Yeah, it is minus 4 cos 2 pi by 5, cos 2 pi by 5, cos pi by 5. Okay. Now it is again, you see, minus 2 cos 2 pi by 5. What actually I have done? I have multiplied by 4. Nothing else I have done, right? Now you see, we have right hand side 1. So that is 1. This one has been written here. This is 2 cos pi by 5. 2 cos pi by 5. Okay. This is minus, actually it's okay, not a matter. Write down minus 2 into 2 cos 2 pi by 5 cos pi by 5. Have got it or not? I can write here minus 2 cos pi minus 3 pi by 5. That is, it is 1 plus 2 cos pi by 5 minus 2. Can you tell me 2 cos A cos B? Cos 3 pi by 5 plus cos pi by 5. It is what? It is in the second quadrant. So it will be plus 2 cos 3 pi by 5. Perhaps we are done. 1 plus 2 cos pi by 5 minus 2 cos 3 pi by 5 minus 2 cos pi by 5 plus 2 cos 3 pi by 5. Now what is actually happening here? We get this omitted. We get again this omitted. So we are left with one, that is right hand side. Okay, before every exam, you practice this math 2 or 3 times at home. Okay, it will be given in every exam. I don't know you are getting me or not. Hello, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Hi,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so we are done with this math. Now I am going to the next chapter, the most important chapter, that is exercise 7.5. Here there are too many maths. Okay, all of you just be acquainted with some new formula, though the same formula. Actually you just let me know. Sine 2 theta equals to what? Let me know. 2 sine theta cos theta, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I am going to 7.5. Now if I write sine theta here, then what will be? I am going to change it again, sine theta. Then what will be? Can you tell me? Please switch off your loudspeaker. It is 2 sine. Now you see here 2 theta, but here it is theta. Then what will be here? Theta by 2. Have you got me? Then it is cosine. What will be here? Theta by 2. So in this exercise, our angle will be divided, or it will be multiplied. You understand? 2 theta, it will be 10 theta. 2 theta, it will be 1 by 4 theta. This type of math will be given in this exercise. Suppose you see another formula. What is cos 2 theta? Can you remember? Cos square theta minus sin square theta. Now, if the math is given, what is cos theta? It is 2 theta, it is theta. So it will be what? Cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2. I think you have got it right.
Ji, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Dear students, in class 9 and 10, you all were acquainted with some standard values of trigonometric ratios, that is 0 degree, 30 degree, then 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree. Today we'll come to know some other familiar values like 22 degree, 22.5 degree, that is half of 45 degree. Okay, is it? That is
Yes, sir.
15 degree, half of 30 degree. Okay, we don't know this value. Or what is its half? Can you tell me what is its half? Who can tell me?
11.25.
It is 22 degree 30 minutes, right? Is it?
Yes, sir.
So what is its half? Its half is 11 degree 15 minute, right? And
Yes, sir.
what is its half? Can you tell me? 7.5
7
degree?
degree 30 minutes.
7.5 degree means what? 7 degree 30 minute, right? Is it? Okay, we'll also come to know the value of trigonometric ratio of 18 degree. If we come to know 18 degree, we'll come to know 36 degree. We'll then come to know 54 degree. We'll then come to know 72 degree. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Then if we come to know all this value, then it is possible to come to know the value of 3 degree. How will you get 3 degree? What is that? Suppose it is, I think, is there anyone here who has tendency to get admitted into BUET? Hello? No one is there. That is, all of you will read in medical, right?
Na, sir.
Achha, okay. Those who have tendency to read or to study in BUET, then you will get this math. What is the trigonometric ratio of 3 degree? You have to show it, not by memorizing. It is what? 18 degree minus 15 degree. If you know 18 degree and if you know 15 degree, then you can find 3 degree. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
If it is given 6 degree, then what will you do? I told you that today we will find 36 degree. This is 36 degree. And you know the value of 30 degree. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Have you got it? Suppose you are told to determine the value of 12 degree equals to what? 30 degree minus 18 degree, right? Or you are told to determine the value of 21 degree, then what? 36 degree minus 15 degree. So by this, we will come to know almost all the values. Okay. So today we are going to be acquainted with some values. Okay. Now you see the most important and totally, wholly and fully, everything is new to you all. Okay. So today we'll come to know at first the first math. You will just keep it as a note. Okay. I'll try my level best to make you understand too many important maths. Okay. That will be given in exam, almost all the exams. Okay. Write down number 1. Prove that sine 20.5 degree, that is 22 degree 30 minutes, is equal to half root over 2 minus root 2. But the math done in the book or anywhere, I will not follow that. I have some other rule. You will see. Write down right hand side. If it is given as proof, right hand side equals to what? Half 2 minus root 2. Is it? Yes, it is. Now what will we do? You see, it is half, right? Now I am going to take 2 common. Always 2 is to be taken common. If 2 is taken common, then what is left here? 1 minus, can you tell me? 2 has been taken common.
Sir, 1 by root 2.
That's good. 1 by root 2. That is 2 and 1 by root 2 will make root 2. 2 into 1 by root 2 equal, 2 means what? Root 2 into root 2, and it is 1 by root 2. So this will be omitted and will be left with root 2, right? Okay. Now just let me know. It is half 2. What is the value of 1 by root 2? Sine which degree? 45
Sine
degree?
45 degree.
Write down sine 45 degree. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now it is half 2 into, suppose it is sine 2 theta. You please try to understand. Sine 2 theta. Sine 2 theta. Formula. What is the formula? Sine 2 theta.
Sir, 2
Sorry.
sine
One
theta
minus.
cos.
I am sorry. Uh, Okay. Just let me know. 1 minus forget it. Sine 45 degree can be written sine, sorry, my God. Sine 2 into 22 degree 30 minute. Is it? Or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
just wait. Just wait. But dear students, please try to understand. What is the formula? One day I told you I have formula 1 minus cos 2 theta. I have formula 1 plus cos 2 theta. I don't have any formula of 1 minus sine 2 theta. It is sine 2 theta. Please try to understand. Okay, so it is sine. So we can write here 2 sine square theta, right? But
Yes,
it is a
sir.
common mistake. For this I did it. It is a common mistake by the students. It is sine. So students have tendency to write down a sine. Here only confusion by the students. It is sine. So students normally write down sine here. No, you will never write sine. It is always cosine. Just try to understand now. Now you just let me know 1 minus cos 2 theta. 1 minus, now it is cosine. It is cosine. Now just let me know what is the formula of 1 minus cos 2 theta. Can you tell me please? 2 sine
sine
square.
theta.
What is theta here?
So 22 degree 30 minutes.
22 degree, 22 and half degree. Just this is the math. Only this part is the math. Nothing else is here. Only this part. 1 minus cos 2 theta. I repeat, 1 minus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 sine square theta. Here 2 theta equals to 45 degree. You see 2 theta equals to 45 degree. So we are getting theta equals to 22 and half degree. For this I have written 22 and half degree. Now you calculate it. If we calculate, then what we will get? It is half 2 to the 4 out of a square root. It is 2. If it is a square, it is a square root. 2 sine 22 and half degree. It is equal to sine 22 and half degree. Have you got it or not? All of you, please pay attention.
Yes, sir.
So you have got it. Where you will mistake here? I told you. For it is sine, so students have tendency to write down sine here. But please don't write it, okay? Because we don't have formula. Okay, we don't have formula like this. Okay, now you see, another math is to be given. Do another math. Prove that for sine it is cosine. Write down. Cosine, it is minus, now it is plus. Okay? Everybody, please pay attention. You just copy this math, another math. It is now another math. Cosine 22 and half degree equals to this. Okay? Now right hand side, what is right hand side? It was minus, now it is plus. Talk to me. It is plus,
Yes,
so it will be plus. Okay. Now it is plus, so it will be plus. Now just let me know 1 plus cos 2 theta. What is the formula? What is the formula? 2
cos square
cos
theta.
square. Very good. If I write here 1 plus cos theta, then what is the formula? 2 cos square theta by 2. Talk to me. Is it? So we can write here for sine, we can write here cosine. For sine, we can write here cosine. For sine, we can write here cosine. So our math is done. Be quick, try to understand. Hello everybody. Have you copied this math?
Yes,
Talk
sir.
to me please. Okay, that's good. So we have come to know sine 22.5 degree and cosine 22.5 degree. We have come to know. Suppose if you are told to find the value of tan 22.5 degree, I think you can sine 22.5 degree by cosine 22.5 degree. Is it or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And if you know this, then you can find sec, you can find cot, and from sine you can find cosec, right? So now you have come to know the trigonometric ratios of 22.5 degree. Though you will not be told to determine the ratio, you will be told to prove that this equals to this. The math always will be given like this, prove that this equals to this. Now come to the next math. Important math now. Trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratios of 18 degree and 36 degree. Can you remember in your class 9-10 math book exercise 9.2 you were you were to go through the math to find the trigonometric ratios of 30 degree and 60 degree, and the next math was 45 degree. Can you remember please? So here
Yes.
same type of math that you have to do now. 18 degree, that's good. Don't be afraid of, but we have no option but to do this math. Okay, let's see. 18 degree, that's good. 18 degree, write down, let theta equals to 18 degree, right? Anything wrong? Then what can you write? If theta equals to 18 degree, that can you write? Yes. 5 theta equals to 90 degree. Talk to me, please.
Yes, sir.
That's good. Can you write here again? 2 theta equals to 5 theta minus 3 theta.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can you write now? Sine 2 theta is equal to sine. Okay, very good. 5 theta equals to what? 90 degree. Okay. Value of 5 theta equals to 90 degree. Now, can you write sine 2 theta equals to sine of 90 degree minus 3 theta? Is it that sine 2 theta is equal to, it is in the first quadrant, so it can be written cos 3 theta?
Yes, sir.
Is it that the formula of sine 2 theta equals to what? 2 sine theta cos theta? What is the formula of cos 3 theta? 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Right? Now, can we divide all the terms by cos theta? Then we'll be left with 2 sine theta is equal to 4 cos square theta minus 3. Actually, I have divided both the sides by cos theta because here cos theta is not equal to 0. One day I told you that nothing is cancelled from the numerator. But here cos theta is also in the numerator. Even after that, we have divided as cos theta is not equal to 0. Theta equals to 18 degree. If cos theta equals to 0, then theta equals to 90 degree. I think you have got me.
Yes, sir.
If we would not cancel it, then we would get a value of cos theta equals to 0. But here cos theta is not equal to 0. If cos theta equals to 0, then theta will be 90 degree, right? Now, it is sine theta, it is cos square theta. Then what should we do? We should convert it into sine. 2 sine theta is equal to 4 1 minus sine square theta minus 3. Right?
Yes, sir.
Now what should be done here? That is 2 sine theta is equal to 4 minus 4 sine square theta minus 3. That means 4 sine square theta plus 2 sine theta, 4 minus 3 equals to 1. It is minus 1 equals to 0. Now resolve into factors. Can you find it? Suppose for a while we think sine theta equals to x. Suppose sine theta equals to x. Then the equation is 4x square plus 2x minus 1 equals to 0. We cannot get it by middle term. We have to find the value like this: x equals to minus b. Can you remember? Plus minus root over, then b square minus 4ac by 2a. I think you can remember, right?
Yes, sir.
So from here, we can write sine theta is equal to, here x is sine theta, I told you. Sine theta is equal to minus b. That is what? Minus b means what? Let me know. What is minus b? That is minus 2 plus minus b square. B square means what? 4 minus 4ac. Minus 4ac minus 4. A, 4 4 is 16 minus, that is plus 16 by 2a, that is 8. I have just calculated, nothing else I did here. And you did a lot of maths in class 9 and 10, exercise 5.1 of higher math. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now calculate it, math is done here. Implies that sine theta is equal to minus 2 plus minus, it is 20. 20 means what? Root over 20 means what? 2 root 5. Okay. Now you take two common from the numerator. Then we will be left with -1 plus minus √5/4. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. If you fail to copy, just let me know. I can go a little bit slower.
জি স্যার লেখা হয়েছে
Okay. Now you see sin theta equals to -1 plus √5/4. Can you use the calculator? What is the value of this? Positive or negative?
Positive.
But sin theta is not equal to -1 minus √5/4 because it is negative.
Yes, sir.
Talk to me. Here we have two values, -1 plus √5/4, another value -1 minus √5/4. But here it is negative. Am I right? But we are going to find the value of theta, where theta equals to 18 degree and it is sin theta. So it will be definitely in the first quadrant. 18 degree in which quadrant it lies? First quadrant. So there is no
Yes, sir.
negative value of first quadrant, right? In the first quadrant, we really don't have any negative value, right? Actually, we have got our required value. Sin theta is equal to, it can be written √5 minus 1/4. We are done. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now it is your work. This is theta. This is theta means what? 18 degree. Theta equals to what? 18 degree. You please try to understand. It is sin 18 degree. Theta equals to 18 degree. √5 minus 1/4. At first we let theta equals to 18 degree. Perhaps you can remember. Actually, what is sin theta? What is sin theta?
Perpendicular by
perpendicular by
hypotenuse.
hypotenuse
So this is hypotenuse.
জি স্যার
And this is perpendicular. √5 minus 1. Now find the base. It is your class work now. What will be this base? Find it. And
√5
who-
plus 1.
It is not so easy as you are telling. Okay, suppose it is x. Okay, suppose it is x, right? So actually, what is x? X square is equal to, you see, 4 square minus √5 minus 1 whole square. Am I right?
স্যার বাই এনি চান্স 20 হবে? I'm not sure.
Now, just please try to understand. Is it or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, now let's do. That is 16 minus what? Can you calculate it? A minus B whole square formula. A square minus 2ab plus b square. Is
Yes,
it?
sir.
জি স্যার
Now just let me know. It is 5 plus 1, 6. 16 minus 6 equals to what? 10. This minus plus. So we are getting this. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Now what is the value of x? Just let me know. What is the value of x now? If it is, then what is the value of x?
Root of 10 plus
Yes, root over. There will be root over 10 plus 2 root 5. Now, if you are told to find or determine cosine 18 degree, is it possible? Cosine 18 equals to what? Base by, this is base, this is base. Base by
Yes,
what?
sir. Hypotenuse.
Hypotenuse. Now, if you are told to determine tan 18 degree, can you find
Yes,
sine
sir.
theta by cos theta? Okay. This 4 will be omitted.
Sir, perpendicular by base.
Now, no need to. Oh, yes, you're right. This by this. You're absolutely right. If it is told to determine sec 18, cosec 18, quat 18, now you can find it from the figure, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me, please? I also wrote something else to determine the trigonometric ratio of 18 degree. Can you remember? Can you remember 18 degree? 36 degree? Everybody. Did I tell you to determine also 36 degree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now can you determine the value of 36 degree, please?
Yes, sir.
Okay, how? Suppose you write down cosine 36 degree. What can be written? What is the value of cos 2 theta?
Cos of
You see
2 into 18
1
degree.
minus cos 2 theta equals to 2 sine square theta, right?
Yes, sir.
So from here we can write cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square theta, right? So what is theta here? 18 degree? What is
Yes,
theta
sir.
here? 18 degree.
18 degree.
I mean 2 theta equals to 36 degree here. That means cos theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square theta by 2. This is the formula. That's good. So 1 minus 2 sine square theta by 2. Theta by 2 means what? 18 degree? Is it?
Yes, sir.
Now you put the value here. You see what is the value? 1 minus root 5 minus 1 by 4. Now you calculate. The math is done. Please, it is your turn to do. Can you do it? It is what? 1 minus root 5 minus 1 whole square by 16, right?
Yes, sir.
That means, oh, there is 2 here. We have not written 2. Is it? There is 2 here. We have not written that 2. Okay? Now, we cancel it. 8. So, we are getting 8 as LCM. That is 8 minus root 5 minus 1 whole square. Now you do it by yourself. What will be the value?
1 plus root over 5 by 4.
This is 8 minus root 5 minus 1. 5 minus 2 root 5 plus 1 by 8. 5 plus 1 equals to 6. 8 minus 6 equals to 2. That is 2 plus 2 root 5. We are getting 2 plus 2 root 5 by 8. Now, if we divide by 2, then we'll be left with root 5 plus 1 by 4. I think we have got it. Right? That is, we are getting cos 36 degree is equal to root 5 plus 1 by 4. Okay. Now, it is possible for you to find like this. If it is 90 degree and it is 36 degree and it is root 5 plus 1 and it is 4. Now, can you find it? Can you find it?
Yes, sir.
Do it. Let me know. What is the value, what is the length of perpendicular? Well, it is very easy and simple math. In our time, we did this math in class 7 and 8.
So 10 plus 2 root 5.
Suppose it is y. You let it y. So y square equals to what? 4 square minus root 5 plus 1 whole square. Is it? That means 16 minus 5 plus 2 root 5 plus 1. That means 5 plus 1, 6, 16 minus 6, 10. 10 minus 2 root 5. So we are getting y equals to root over 10 minus 2 root 5. Is it? Yes, it is.
Yes, sir.
Now, if you are told to determine sine 36, sine 36 degree equals to what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse? Is it? What is the perpendicular? 10 minus 2 root 5. And what is the length of hypotenuse? Now, if you know sine 36, cos 36, then yes, it is possible to determine the other 4 trigonometric ratios, right? Or from this figure. Is it done?
Yes, sir.
Now, we have come to know 22.5 degree. We have come to know 18 degree. We have come to know 36 degree. Then from here, we can find 72 degree, 54 degree. Okay, even 9 degree. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if we know sine 18, then we can find 9 degree. Is it or not?
Yes,
Sine
sir.
2, yes, okay. Now, you see, please pay attention. Trigonometric ratios of 15 degree. 15 degree. Don't say it is half of 30, so we can get it easily. No, not that. For this, you have to pay attention here. You see. Okay, cosine 15 degree plus sine 15 degree, its whole square equals to what? Can you tell me, please? Cosine 15 plus sine 15 degree plus 2ab. Again, sound is, please, there is sound. Huh? Make it sound free. Are you getting it or not? Please talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Actually, it is 1. And it is what? 2 sine x cos a equals to what? Sine 2 theta?
Sine 30 degree.
That means sine 30 degree. What is the value of sine 30? What is the value of sine 30?
Half.
So it is 3 by 2. So we can write here cosine 15 degree sine 15 degree is equal to root 3 by root 2. It is equation 1.
Yes, sir.
Again, you write down. Again, suppose it is minus. Then what will be the changes here? Here it is minus.
Half away.
Here it is
1 by root 2.
minus. Minus. Here it is only half. So we are getting here minus, and here it is 1 by root 2, and this is equation 2. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Have you copied it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now adding equation 1 and 2, we get 1 plus 2. You see 1 plus 2. So sine will be omitted. In 1 there is plus sine 15 degree. In 2 there is also minus sine 15 degree. So we will get 2 cosine 15 degree is equal to root 3 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2. Am I right? That means we are getting here root 3 plus 1 by root 2. Okay. Now it is what? Irrational number. So we have to rationalize. So it is root 6 plus root 2 by 2. This, I mean, by root 2 we have multiplied both the numerator and denominator. Then what is cos 15 degree? Cos 15 degree is equal to, we are getting root 6 plus root 2 by 4. Can we use the calculator to get the result? No need, it is the result. But is it okay to all? Are you getting
Yes,
me?
sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
But if I go for subtracting 1 minus 2, then we will get sine, and it is negative. It is sine, and it is negative. So we have got the trigonometric ratios of 15 degree. It is possible to determine tan. It is possible to determine every ratio. Is it okay to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Oh, today it is 58 minutes, but we didn't have any break. Why?
স্যার আপনি প্রিমিয়ামটা নিছেন এজন্য।
Oh, how you have come to know?
স্যার আপনি এটা নিয়ে ফ্লেক্স করবেন, এটা কি হয় নাকি? আমি ওয়েট
Okay.
করতেছিলাম আপনি কখন করবেন।
Okay, I have purchased, okay, for you, also for our school and college.
থ্যাংক ইউ স্যার।
Thank
At
you,
first-
sir.
But at first it is for our school and college, okay? Okay, now we are going to do another important math. You write down the same type of math. Prove that 7.5 degree is equal to half root over 2 minus root over 2 plus root 3. Oh my God. You will tell, right? So what is happening here? Is this important math? Write down right hand side. Half 2 minus root over 2 plus root 3. Okay. We can write here half. What I told you, can you remember? We have to take 2 common always.
Yes, sir.
Then if I take 2 common, then we are left with what? 1 plus root 3 by 2. Just talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. We'll never have any kind of botheration. It is sine or cosine. Here it will be always cosine. That I told you. So half 2 minus 2. Can you tell me please? 1 plus what? Cos 30 degree. Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Cos 30 equals to root 3 by 2. I am telling it again. It is sine or cosine immaterial. It will be always cosine. Okay. Now, what is 1 plus cos theta formula? 1 plus cos theta equals to what? Let me know. 2 cos square theta by 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Because 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta. I have halved the angle. Now you see, it is half, okay? 2 minus, what will be? 2 into 2, what is the formula? 2 cos square theta by 2, that is 2 cos square 15 degree. Now let me know who has failed to understand. Hello everybody.
বুঝেছি স্যার।
Okay, that's good. Okay. Okay. Now you calculate, you go for calculating. It is half 2 minus 2 to the 4, so it is 2 a square, so it is, am I right? Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Now we can take again 2 common. You see, it is half root over, again 2 can be taken common, 1 minus cos 15 degree, 1 minus cos 15 degree. Is it? Now you see, what is again the formula? Let me know. 2 into 1 minus cos 2 theta. What is the formula? sorry, 1 minus cos theta formula. What is the 1 minus cos theta? 2 sin square theta by 2. 1 minus cos theta, you should know the formula. 2 sin square theta by 2, is it? So we will get 2 sin 7.5 degree. That is, we are getting the result 7.5 degree. Perhaps Sandeep has come, right? So we have got our answer. I am getting noise there, please.
আমি স্যার তোমার মাইক অফ করো।
I think we have got the trigonometric ratio of 7.5 degree. Okay. Now you see the interesting fact here. Is it done or not? I think you have copied it or not. I am not getting you, my dear students. Have you copied it?
জি স্যার।
Okay. Now
Yes, sir. করেছি।
you see, no need to copy it now. What I am going to do, you just pay attention. It is what sine. If I write here cosine, and if I give a plus sign here, then what the changes we are getting here? Plus, is it? Then it is plus. Then it is plus. Then it is plus, plus. Is it? So here it is 2, here it is plus. For cosine, it is not sine. 1 plus cos theta, 2 cos square theta by 2. 2. I think you have got me right. I am not telling you to copy it. Have you got it or not? You can get a screenshot.
Yes,
Or
sir.
even okay, even after that, I try my level best to upload it in my YouTube channel. I think you go through it, right? Okay. Now another math. Will I go to another math?
Yes, sir.
জি স্যার।
Okay. We have done a lot of maths of same type today. There are also some maths, or we will go to, to very normal math. Which one?
স্যার যেটা ঠিক মনে
Okay,
করেন।
this type. Okay, it's okay. This type of math will be finished. Write down. Prove that sine 15 degree is equal to, oh sorry, I'm sorry, sine 15 degree, that I'm explaining, sorry. Prove that sine 11 degree 15 minute is equal to half root over 2 minus root over 2 plus root 2. Now do it by yourself. Today we did 22 degree 30 minutes. Now it is 11 degree 15 minutes. Okay. What I told you, write down right hand side is equal to half root over 2 minus what? Oh, it is root 2. I have written. I am sorry. There will be no root 2. Excellent. Sorry. It is only 2. What I told you, to take 2 common, right? Then it is 1 plus 1 by root 2. Now do it by yourself. it is half 2 minus, this is 2, 1 plus cosine 45 degree. Is it?
Ji sir.
That means half 2 minus 2 into 1 plus cos 2 theta equals to what? 2 cos square theta by 2. 22 degree 30 minute. 45, half of 45 degree is 22 degree 30 minutes. Because 60 minutes equals to 1 degree. Now what should be written? 2 minus, it is 2. This is cosine 22 degree 30 minutes. Right? Now you calculate by yourself, is equal to half. We can take 2 common. 1 minus cosine 22 degree.
Sir,
Yes.
2 cos square 22 degree 30 minutes এর সাথে তো 2 multiplied অবস্থায় ছিল, সেটা কই গেল?
This 2 to 4.
হ্যাঁ স্যার, ও আচ্ছা, ও বুঝেছি।
Root 4 equals to 2. Okay. Now you see, it is half. Is it? Then what is the formula of 1 minus cos 2 theta?
2 sin square theta.
2 sin square theta by 2. That means 22 degree 30 minutes. We get here 11 degree 15 minute. Can you see the board?
Yes sir.
Okay, you can. Now, this is what? Half into 2 sine 15 degree, sine 11 degree 15 minutes. 2 will be omitted. So we will get sine 11 degree 15 minutes. Am I right?
Yes sir.
Now, the interesting fact is that you please pay attention. I think you have copied this math, right? Now, the interesting fact is that
Yes, sir.
suppose it is cosine. No need to copy, but the important math. If it is cosine, it will be positive. Okay? So, it is positive, right? That is, it is positive, positive, positive. Okay? So, we are getting here positive. Now, for sine, it will be cosine. Now, for sine, it will be what? Cosine. For sine, it will be what? Very interesting.